In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hover state in Figma. We will start by designing the button or element you want to make interactive. Keep it simple and clear. Add your text, set the background, and include any icons or effects you want in the normal state. Make sure it looks exactly how you want users to see it before they interact with it. Next, turn this element into a component so it can have reusable interactive states. With the element selected, use the Create Component option in the right side panel. This wraps your design in a component set. Inside that set, create a new variant for the hover state. It helps to label your variants clearly, such as default and hover, so it's easy to manage later. Now, change the appearance of the hover variant to visually communicate that it's being hovered. You might slightly darken or lighten the background color. Increase the shadow to lift it off the canvas, or tweak the stroke or text color for emphasis. Keep the layout consistent so the transition feels natural. Avoid major size jumps unless that's part of your design language. As a quick tip, check color contrast so the text remains readable in both states. With your variants ready, switch to the Prototype tab in the right panel to wire up the interaction. Click the default variant and drag the blue arrow to the hover variant. In the interaction details that appear, set the trigger to while hovering. This tells Figma to switch states only when the cursor is over the component. Make sure the action is set to change to, which swaps from the default variant to the hover variant. To make the transition feel smooth, choose an animation. Smart Animate works well when you are changing properties like color, shadows, or subtle movement because it interpolates differences between the two variants. Dissolve is a clean, simple fade if you prefer something more minimal. Adjust the easing to something like ease out for a natural feel. And set a short duration, typically around 200 milliseconds, to keep the interaction snappy. To test it in context, place an instance of your component into your main design frame. Instances inherit the interactions you just set up, so you don't need to reconnect anything. Select the frame and click Present to open the prototype. Move your cursor over the button and you should see the hover effect animate exactly as configured. That's it, thanks for watching.